Crane, you are clear for traverse. I repeat, clear for traverse. Keep it steady.
We're looking at the cutting edge of armored warfare. This rough steel surface represents the thickest armor plating ever deployed on a main battle tank. In this highly secured facility, the next generation of main battle tanks takes shape. Precision welding ensures the integrity of every armor plate.
The raw steel hull, weighing over 60 tons, is carefully maneuvered into the main assembly bay.
We're looking at the cutting edge of armored warfare. This rough steel surface represents the thickest armor plating ever deployed on a main battle tank. In this highly secured facility, the next generation of main battle tanks takes shape. Precision welding ensures the integrity of every armor plate.
Crane, you are clear for traverse. I repeat, clear for traverse. Keep it steady.
The surface roughness here is slightly out of spec, but the weld penetration looks solid.
Noted. We'll prioritize this section for the next pass.
Reading at 30.5 millimeters on the southeast quadrant.
Confirmed. Surface finish is within tolerance.
The reading is 150.4 millimeters.
Noted. We're within tolerance.
Inside the secured facility, technicians meticulously install the ceramic armor tiles, crucial for the tank's protective mounts.
Bring it down 20 millimeters.
Confirmed. Lowering now. Watch the alignment on the starboard side.
It's looking good. Steady as she goes.
The pressure is holding steady at 40,000 psi.
Good. Maintain the current feed rate.
The thermal readout on sector gamma is fluctuating.
The robotic arm is compensating, but we need to monitor the integrity.
How's the clearance on the starboard side?
Looks good, just a hair more to the left.
Confirmed, we are locked in.
Deep within the secured facility, these automated systems guarantee the flawless application of critical reinforcement plates.
The tolerance here is slightly off specification.
Recorded as a minor deviation, but within the acceptable range.
Confirming alignment on manifold 7.
Reading green on the diagnostic.
Clear to proceed with the next pallet.
Bring it forward now. Watch the shafts.
We're aligned.
Sequence complete. Green.
Ensure the primary coolant manifold is secured to spec.
Confirmed. All connections are locked.
Torque is good on the main line.
Check the pressure across the auxiliary pump now.
Holding steady at 75 psi.
Slow descent, watching the mounts now. Clear on the intake manifold, keep coming down easy.
Lower it slowly, watch the clearance on the port side. Looks good, keep coming down. Torque reading on connection point 49er is exactly to spec.
Confirmed. Checklist updated.
Precision is paramount here at the facility. The cutting fluid ensures the barrel's integrity during the deep hole boring process.
We need to verify the alignment specs for this section.
The laser scan shows a near perfect finish.
Torque set to maximum on bolt 4.
Confirmed green across the board.
Ready for final sequence check.
The tolerances are holding steady at 0.005.
Good, let's maintain this feed rate for the next pass. Bring it down slowly, maintain alignment on the starboard side.
Copy that. Lowering 5 millimeters. It's almost seated.
Route that bundle along the inner wall. Careful with the fiber optics.
Module initialized. Pressure check at 40 psi.
Looks good, let's seal it up.
During the controlled test cycle, the main gun must elevate and depress smoothly, ensuring precise alignment before finalization.
Gauge reading is stable at max rotation.
Confirmed. Data logged. Test successful. Unit seated. Secure the starboard bracket.
Bracket secured. Running diagnostics on the link.
Check the torque settings on the multi-pin connector.
Reading confirmed. Channel secured. Module seated and locked.
Commencing data link synchronization.
Status check on the tablet. Verify connection stability. Check figure 7 on the schematic.
It's routed correctly. Pass the torque wrench.
Initiating traverse stabilization test.
Pressure increasing on actuator mount.
Resistance check passed. System reports green. Alignment check on sensor array 3.
Reading stable at 99.8%. Looks good.
Confirmed. System aligned.
Diagnostic sweep is complete.
Confirmed. We have green across the board, character A.
The technicians meticulously align the heavy steel segments, a critical step before the pins are driven home.
All right, slowly now. Watch the alignment on the suspension.
Got it. Bring the wrench over here.
Make sure that lower fastener is torqued correctly. Roger that. Applying pressure now.
Check the laser readout on the turret. We're still off by 2 millimeters.
Adjusting the forward plate now. Set to specifications.
Alignment confirmed. Recording data.
Comm systems are initializing.
Sensor array reports nominal readings.
Confirm all mounts are secured before power up.
Check the alignment on the drive sprocket.
Looks good here. Scanning the turret systems now.
Fluid levels are nominal.
We have stable ignition. All systems check green.
The Ares Battalion tank undergoes final systems checks. Its movement through the main hall is precisely calibrated.
This facility is the heart of our defense, producing the Rugner main battle tank.